How to create a league on Fantasy Premier League. Now, this method is a bit complex because there's a multiple requirements for you to be able to open or access this kind of feature on FPL. Now, before you head straight into the FPL application, go into your Google Play Store and make sure that the Fantasy Premier League that you're using is actually the latest version. Go into the official Premier League app and update it to the latest version possible. Next is open it up and then make sure that you're already logged in into your Premier League account. Now, at the lower left portion of your screen, you should be able to see Fantasy option. Tap on that. Now, once you're here, you won't be able to see Join League or Figure League under the leagues and cups if you haven't picked a team yet. Now, once you're here, just simply use the allocated budget that the EFPL is providing us for you to be able to choose on these team. Now, once you're here, you'll now then get access into scroll down, join leagues, and configure league. Now, once you've successfully set up your team, what you can do is to either join a league or configure the league that you join. Just tap on join league, and this is where you can input the code that the FPL admin is providing you via private or via public. Now, once you already have an experience in joining a league, if you go back, creating a league under leagues and comps will be available. Just simply tap on that, and that is how you configure the league once again. And that's pretty much it. That is how you create league on Fantasy Premier League.